Welcome to Oryx Doors and Windows. This is our Abu Dhabi showroom. My name's Dan. Come on inside and take a look at what we do. Here at Oryx Doors, you can expect to see a wide range of aluminium front doors, bifold doors, sliding doors and windows to suit all your projects needs. We've installed projects all across Abu Dhabi and have recently finished a stunning villa in Yas Acres. Come and take a look at what we've just installed. Welcome here today to a stunning villa in Abu Dhabi, Yas Island, where Oryx Doors have installed a range of products including Innertherm front doors, Origin bifold doors, Fusion sliding doors and a range of fixed windows. Let me show you around what we've done. What we're most proud of at Oryx is the standard that our installers are able to work to. We have a team of 70 highly trained installers across Dubai and Abu Dhabi, which means we can install beautiful projects finished to the highest standards. All of our teams arrive on site in a customized installation vehicle, equipped with all the specialist tools and safety equipment required to install each job. Our projects team is dedicated to finding small improvements in the way we operate on site every day. Over time, this has led to incredible results, and we firmly believe we have the best installation teams in the region. Once the installation is complete, we do not stop there. We have a lifetime ownership warranty for residential projects, and we have a dedicated customer service team on hand who regularly check in to ensure your products are working perfectly. All of our customers are encouraged to leave a review after their installation, and we now have over 300 Google reviews with a 4.9 star rating. So if you have an upcoming renovation or a new build project, we would love to invite you to our showroom here in Al Raha, Abu Dhabi. Hopefully we can see you soon.